Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have another unboxing for you guys. Jelly Bean's excited too. These boxes have been hanging around for a little bit because I've been shopping for homes and we are probably a couple weeks out from moving. And so I'm trying to get all the boxes unboxed so that I can start packing everything up. This weekend, I have a friend who's going to come over and help me pack all of this up. So could be quite soon that you're going to be seeing empty shelves back there. Don't be sad. It'll come out again eventually, right? Okay, so this next box that I'm going to open, I was in my previous video, or at least as I'm recording them, I don't know how I'm going to post them, but as I was recording them, I was just letting you guys know that while you predominantly come here for quilting, and definitely should continue to do that, and also for foundation paper piecing, I know that there's tons of creators and just people who have many different interests. And I'm one of those people. So I like counted cross stitch, and I put down and pick up and put down and pick up crocheting as well. And so past couple of months, 4 months, something like that, I have been having just this wild hair that had me pick up crocheting again. And there's lots of different things that I'm interested in doing with crocheting. But the number one thing is probably collecting yarn, because who are we kidding? I collect everything. Look at this. Look at this. So this box that I'm opening is a yarn box, and I decided that I was going to open just a few crochet boxes because I thought, you know, I'm having an interest. Maybe someone else has, you know, a fleeting interest or is thinking about it, and so when I went to look up boxes to open for crocheting, oh my goodness, there was a whole bunch. So I picked two. So there's the first one that I did, which is in another video, and this video is Yarn Yay. And this box is curated by Vicky Howell, and I'm excited to open it. I totally don't. Tell me how many of you guys get this box already, and how long have you gotten it? Do you really love it? Did you get it in the past and it wasn't for you? I'm kind of gonna open it and maybe for a couple of months or so see if it works for me. If it doesn't, I can always cancel it and go and try to pick up one of those other ones that are out there. So let's get this one open and see if we like it. Let's see here. I have not cut the tape or anything yet. And I'm sitting here and I'm trying to remember all the addresses that I need to change. So Yarn Yay, let's put that on the list. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like in this box. And what you think, JB? You like the flowers? Oh, you okay, buddy? I didn't mean to poke you in the eyeball. Well, I didn't poke him in the eyeball. I poked him like in the ear, like right there. But anyway, okay, so here is a hat that says Yarn Yay. Okay. I'll put it on. Why not? I don't know. Is it me? Okay. So now, Jelly Bean, baby, don't get in the box. It's yarn, baby. He's like, yeah, that's why I want to get in there. Okay, so I'm going to pull from the bottom. Okay, so they send you a pattern as well. This one says Plant Happy Foliage Hangers. Have to admit that that's not really something I'm interested in making, but that's okay. Listen, no hard feelings. You never know if it's something you're going to like or for something you're not. But I'll take a look at it. We'll see. Maybe it's not what I'm exactly thinking, and I'll like it. Okay, so this says box number 52. Yarn Yay. Okay, so here's what it is, and I don't like show all the instructions. That's not nice. But that's what the finished product looks like. And yeah, I'm not really sure that that's something I'm interested in doing. but I think it's a great idea. It's just not personally for me, that's all. But very, very nice. Another thing that I think that is great about having patterns like this, even if you don't like them, is to check out the stitches, because maybe it's something that, maybe the stitch is just something you really like. You can incorporate it into something else, which is perfectly excellent as far as I'm concerned. And then they have this little tube of hemp for crafty hands. It is unscented, moisturizing, quick drying, natural, vegan, and animal friendly. It contains 250 milligrams of hemp oil. And you know what? Let me take it out of here because I'm having a hard time even reading it. I don't know how I'm going to show y'all. It's all glary. Well, if I can open it. It don't want to come out. Oh my goodness. I've never... it ain't going back in. I can tell you. Okay. Oh. Well, it comes with a sticker. Karma Cure is the name of it. So it's got a little vinyl sticker. And so there's the product. And there's the front, and it looks like they have a whole bunch of different ways you can get it, in pumps and all kinds of stuff. Okay, and there it is. I'm going to take it out and let me try some. I mean, it says it's unscented, so it shouldn't offend anyone with a smell or anything. If I can get this open. Am I the only one who doesn't like to just cut across and they've got like pictures and stuff on it? I hate that. But let's do it. Just because, for the sake of getting this done quickly for y'all. Because it's really thick. Oh my goodness, I'm still not going to be able to get it out. Wait, oh, okay, hold on. I'm getting brutal with it now. All right, I don't know what it said on the back. I've now ripped the thing to bits. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Y'all, I can't get it out. I'm not kidding. I can't get it out. I'm going to have to try to cut this piece off. Jelly Bean, don't come close. Good boy. That's very good. Stay over there. All right. Let's see if it has a safety seal. Of course it does. All right. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Okay, seriously? Oh. You know, these fingernails, you'd think they'd be like a help, but sometimes they're a hindrance. Oh, they must have glued that thing on there. Okay. How long have I been filming opening the hemp? Okay. Let's just put a little bit down. I mean, if anything, it just has this slight little smell of I'm a moisturizer. That's all. No smell, really. Okay, it's soaked right in. But I have to say, I mean, this is totally not a negative. It felt kind of funky. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But it's sunk right in, which I really like. Okay, it does. I think it kind of has a smell. But no, there's no like perfumes or anything like that. But there is like a smell of I'm a moisturizer. It's not bad. Okay, so finally, since this is a yarn yay box, here's the yarn. All right. I don't think there is. So here it is. Here's what it looks like. And it says it is Barocco, I want to say. Barocco. Isola, I-S-O-L-A. It is 38% cotton, 36% linen, and 26% viscose. 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and 284 yards, which equals to 260 meters. There's a knitting gauge and there's a crochet gauge. So I have no glasses over here. I'm going to do my best. I don't knit, so I'm not 100% sure how I'm supposed to read this. 29 to 30 rows. 21 to 22 STS. 4-inch, 10 centimeters. And then the knitting needles are 3.75 to 4 millimeters, or a 5 to 6 US. The crochet gauge, which I don't even think I know all of these 100% to be honest. It says 4.75 single crochet equals 1 inch. 4 inches, 10 centimeters, 19 single crochet, I don't know what that means, 24 rows. The yarn is 3 light. I don't know what that is either. And your crochet hook, you'll have a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook or an FUS. So here it is again. And apparently you're supposed to try to get your yarn out of the middle of here somewhere and pull it from the middle, which I never knew that. Y'all, when I learned how to crochet, I was learning from my mom, and I'm sure that she told me that. I'm positive, but my brain does not retain stuff for some reason. So like every time I pick up crochet, I have to relearn everything. Anyways, I absolutely love this yarn. I love the color. I just, the texture in it, that you perceive in it. I just love the whole thing. So I'm really excited. Actually, I really like this. And it's perfect size to put in my purse, just in case. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Do you already get it? Are you going to get it now? I'm going to give you all the information down below as well. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.